Mr. Rajesh Sharma, who is the MD of Capri Global Capital Limited, joining us onto the show. The company did come out with the stellar earnings, but what's the way forward from here on? Let's understand more on that. Firstly, very good morning, Mr. Sharma, and thank you so much for your time. Let's talk about your growth numbers then, because growth from 30,000 crores to now 50,000 crores. How quickly can this be achieved in terms of your overall numbers? Why don't we start with that?
Yeah, thank you. So I think we reported the strongest quarter in terms of profitability and growth both. As regards reaching 50,000 crore AUM, which earlier we have said that by FY28 we will achieve the 50,000 crore mark. But given the strong momentum at the ground level, led by our branch expansion, which is now to 1,331 branches, and further branches expansion in pipeline, we think that this year we'll reach about 30 to 34,000 crore rupees AUM, and by next year we should be around 44,000 crore is the plan. So in the mid of FY28 we should reach that 50,000 crore AUM, and we intend to close FY28 in the shade of 50,000 to 55,000 crore. We revise the guidance also.
Right. Hi, good morning. This is Ankita also joining in. Sir, also, what will aid that kind of growth and the gold loans? Will this be a steady state business? You have given a guidance of a 45% mix?
Yes, so as far as gold is concerned, we are now in the current quarter, we'll achieve our nearly 1,000 branches put together, focused only on the gold, besides the MSME, micro lab, affordable housing branches put together will be close to about 1,400 branches. So gold will be in overall AUM will be in the range of about 45% in a 1 year, 1.5 years from now. Currently, it is in the range of about 41%. So it will reach to 45%, led by this expansion of branches, and the way the gold loan from unorganized sector to organized is moving. I think everybody is doing well, and also the price hike in gold is also supportive to this.
All right, but along with that, Mr. Sharma, off late, there has been a lot of volatility with respect to the gold prices specifically. If you can just help us with the latest number on the LTV and what are the risks here, any, if at all?
So it's very interesting and pertinent question in the recent hike and then sudden drop of the gold prices. We do the lending by the 30 days, last 30 days average gold price. Plus, when the gold was rising so quickly, we had taken the conservative LTV policy. So in the month of December onwards, our LTV were not doing 75%, but we are doing 70% to 65%. Currently, our entire portfolio at LTV level is less than 65%. So we at portfolio level, we have more than 35% of margin despite the gold prices have corrected due to our conservative approach in giving the LTV and also 30 days price mechanism criteria. So that way, we are quite safe. Individually also, when there is adequate safeguard margins, the measures are there, where the trigger, whenever the LTV breaches, the message go to the customer, branch people do give a calling and ask the customer to recoup the margin by giving a 14 days notice. For example, a 1 lakh rupees loan, if there is a 4% drop in the LTV, we are supposed to recover 4,000 rupees from the customer. And at individual level, that is a easy target to recover that amount to bring the LTV back. Failing which, if the customer do not deposit, we have right to again inform him and carry out the auction of the gold as per the let down process. So being portfolio very granular, the risk is minimized and widespread.
Right. Mr. Sharma, talk to us about the MSME segment. Were you cautious due to the asset quality issues seen in this segment?
And this MSME is a very wide term. So if we talk about secured collateralized MSME versus MSME unsecured, both the portfolio price points are different, and so is the risk. and the risk framework. As far as the Capri is concerned, we are doing collateralized lending where either underlying office premises or shop or the residential house is mortgaged. So in our case, even the case happens NPA for any region, we have right to recover by going to SARFAESI or otherwise and recover the dues. So in our case, portfolio quality is quite stable and the credit cost is quite under control, contrary to unsecured msmE.
All right, and lastly, Mr. Sharma, if we talk about your cost to income, that is seen to be rising yet again. Where are you investing? Give us some sense. And is a 4% ROA sustainable?
Sure. So if you look at our last year, same quarter, our cost to income ratio was 58%, which has come to 51%. Of course, the previous quarter, it was 49%, primarily because we have done the provisioning for the incentive of the employees, which we are running some of the contest. Plus, we have opened about 70 plus branches and hired the new people for the upcoming branches in the next quarter. So that number of employee costs have been uploaded upfront. Because of that, the 2% quarter-on-quarter cost income ratio has gone up. But overall, in yearly basis, it has come down by 7 basis point. Overall, our target is to bring to cost income ratio from current 51 to 45% in next 1 year. With the growth in the scale, I think that is easily achievable.
All right, Mr. Sharma, on that note, thank you so much for joining us with the Q3 results and the growth roadmap ahead. We'll let you go on that note, and it's time for us to slip into a short break. Don't go anywhere. After the break, we'll get you more updates on the market, so stay tuned.